Are Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers good or bad? Quality Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the hub assembly and the wheels. High-quality Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track wheel appearance. Installing Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They are also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers can provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. These Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers have high frame requirements. In addition, the BONOSS Sport Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake pulling better. Distributed in petal shape, this grooves allows the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the acoustic dissipation effect and improving road safety. Such BONOSS Sport active cooling Cadillac CT5 wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.